Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix we can't sign into your account Windows 10. Open File Explorer, click this PC, click local disk C, click user, then copy all the file from here and put it in another driver. Once copied, now step 2. Click search, then type registrator. Click register to run as administrator. Select yes. Click HQI local machine. Click software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows NT. Click current version. Click profile list. Double click at profile list. Double click profile image path. Copy this value data. Then delete value data and click OK. Delete the folder seen on the screen. Double click profile image path. Paste the copied value data here. Click OK. Thanks for watching.